Could you start by telling us a bit about yourself and your role in your institution and in Ingenium?
Well, my name is Todor Bodganov. I'm a PhD in field of plasma physics. Nowadays, I'm an associate professor at the Faculty of Medicine, Department of Medical Physics and Biophysics, leading classes on medicine physics for all of students at the university, and the coordinator of work package 8, or representative of the medical university in the package 8.
What did you focus on in your session at the Staff Academy?
I focus on the possibility to build an in-house laboratories which are producing achievable, accessible models for education of the students according to the needs of the students, need of the teachers and the clinicists in our case.
Why is this topic something educators should really care about right now?
Due to the fact that the students change, which means we have to change the way of teaching. We have to pass from a pure theoretical representation to visualization and collaboration with the students.
What were the key ideas or takeaways you shared?
We start with presenting the good practice in our laboratory, in case 3D printing laboratory of Medical University of Sofia, and the workflow, which is combination between technology, equipment, and human resources. In human resources, we mean students, researchers, and clinicists all together working in a team, realizing the potential evaluation of the ideas.
Was there anything that surprised you during the discussions with participants?
How open-minded are the colleagues from the rest of the universities about such workflow, and how they like or enjoy the idea of working on the same manner.
Thinking about impact, can you give an example of something that has already changed or could realistically change because of this work?
In our case, the example is the way how the students in the Medical University of Sofia study anatomy or study the preclinical part and workflow for the dental medicine students. But in any aspect, such in-house laboratory could change the way of representing the knowledge and evaluating the knowledge.
What kind of difference do you think this could make for teaching or even for students learning?
So what kind of change? The studying and teaching process is something which is not a stationary, it's something which is evolving each year. No, you could not present one and the same thing each year. That's how easily with in-house manufacturing, even one and the same thing could be represented on a different ways, different moment.
Would you say this is more of a small improvement or something that could really transform how we teach and learn? Why?
To be able to say is it a transform and how big or how small it is, it's needing a time. When you take a look from the perspective of time and see the achievement of your students, you will be able to evaluate was it successful or not. From my point of view and my expectations are that it's gonna be, let's say, a mid or intermediate achievement progress into a positive way due to the ability to touch and see all together.
And what would need to happen at your institution for these ideas to really take hold?
Well, in our university, they already take a hold due to the fact that we are presenting case studies done by us. So surely we have to improve it, and that's something which we are doing all the time. So building and maintaining an in-house laboratory is not just buying the device. You have to build a team, you have to keep the team all together and evolve the team and the equipment all the time.
Do you see potential to share or scale this idea across other Ingenium universities?
Well, As you know, the universities which are part of INGENIUM, they have quite a different field of studies, but we have something common, the interest about the quality of education. That's why, and according to talks with colleagues, which I managed to have during my presentation and short after it, I think that it could be a good beginning of collaboration between us and the rest of the universities.
What kind of collaboration would help move things forward?
Productive one. That's all. All collaboration which is leading to some final result will be.
Finally, how would you know this has been successful? How could we actually measure the impact?
To measure the impact, you have a quality and quantitative perspective. The quality one is the reaction of the colleagues. The quantity is the contacts and the common projects which we will build in the future, I hope.
And to wrap up, what's one key message you'd like to share with your colleagues who weren't able to attend?
That teaching, it's not about the technologies and use of the technology. Teaching is about the experience which could be built by technologies.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.